Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Daretobecreative, and I am here with the Monday monthly installment for the month of August. We are posting by 10 a.m. every Monday. Check my description box below to see all the other collaborators. The young ladies who are participating in the ATC Cards and Coins collab with Poetspice 2020 collab. You'll see all the information. You'll see a hashtag if you like to do a VR or Instagram post in relationship to it, because please play along. And we're doing ATCs, again, artist trading cards, 2.5 by 3.5, your standard deck of cards. That's the size, so you can take a standard deck of playing cards and you can gesso it and you can decorate it, blah blah blah. You can also do an artist coin, which is the same thing. It's just a 2-inch coin, and you can decorate it, which you've probably already done one of those, like say for instance, like this ribbon, you know, just take that size and boom, decorate it. Actually, this is probably more like 3 inches. But anyway, you can decorate it, and that's the artist coin. So I had a whole bunch of scraps from before. This is In Love Art Shop dies and circles, and just some floral prints, and this is not finished being packaged up. I haven't labeled it and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, I had one day just was in a cutting out a whole bunch of stuff, and this memento butterfly set, and I just cut out a ton. I mean, like tons. Anyway, so I decided to make some ATCs out of. So I will show you what I made. So this is kind of a clean and simple week. So this one I did my paper shred and everywhere on it. So this is the first one, and you know I did with my favorite colors. And so my red, black, and white. That one, just variations on the same. Again, using that product, and I just trimmed that in the gold, and I trimmed that in the black with a Mass Spectrum Noir marker, and that was a gold. I think it was a Posh pen. I think it was, or maybe not. A paint pen, one of them, different brands. Did it in the red and white, and then I did it in the gold. So I just did those in 4 different colors. Again, I thought they were just cute, simple, plain. Just playing around with some nice, I like to do different styles of ATCs. I mean, I do all kinds of different techniques and stuff on them just to challenge myself, just fun. But I'm a plain and simple kind of girl anyway. Clean and simple, that's my favorite style, but I do other ones too. And then I did some in some purple and gold. I think they just turned out so cute. That's my sister's favorite color. So we only have to make 2 ATC cards a week. But again, since these were just extra stuff on my desk, I just got carried away with making extra ones. So I had a ball making those. And again, you can make them longitude or latitude. Just totally up to you how you want to do that.